This is the drag equation interactive calculator, which solves for various aerodynamic parameters using the fundamental drag equation. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: calculate drag force, calculate velocity, calculate drag coefficient, calculate reference area, calculate fluid density, and calculate terminal velocity. For this demonstration, we're using calculate drag force. Below that, we have 7 input fields: drag force in newtons, velocity in meters per second, drag coefficient, fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, reference area in square meters, object mass in kilograms, and gravity in meters per second squared. Now for our worked example. I've entered 10 newtons for drag force, 25 meters per second for velocity, 0.47 for drag coefficient, 1.225 for fluid density, 0.5 square meters for reference area, 1.5 kilograms for object mass, and 9.81 for gravity. After clicking Calculate, the results show a drag force of 89.961 newtons as our primary result. The calculator also provides a Reynolds number of 1.20 times 10 to the 6th, dynamic pressure of 382.81 pascals, and identifies the flow regime as turbulent. This comprehensive tool handles all your drag equation calculations efficiently. Find the link in the description below.